I'm going to change the tail shaft bushing in this 204R. I bought this tool from Amazon. This thing. It was like 91 bucks at the end of 2025. You can't take the, you can't unbolt this. So I got to do it in the car. We'll see if this works. Had a little trouble getting the seal out, but that's out of the way. So this thing doesn't come with very good instructions. And it has this. I think this goes inside, and I think it's to keep it from like collapsing when you're trying to yank that thing out, that seat, the bushing. All right, here it is. I was gonna say here we go, but somebody already uses that. So, like, it has these little, you can see it's supposed to catch on there and then pull the thing out. All right, so far it's not working. I made a mark here because this is about where this thing inside probably should be. I'm going to tell you, this is probably not a quality piece here, but it's only got to work once. And it didn't work. All right, it's still not working. So far, it's not working. I'm going to try putting some heat on it. So now I'm going to try heating that mother up. It's getting hot. All right, I got it heated. Take 3. And it's still not working. So far, this is a piece of shit. I got her. She's coming out. But you got to stick around. I got to show you what I did to get it to work. Check this out. There it is. All right, here's what I had to do to make this thing work. This thing, it compresses too much and this keeps popping. So I cut this hose clamp, stuck it in there. You're still able to pull this back and slide it in. And that's what got her done. So, it's a piece of crap, but it works. Only need it to work once. Alright, we're going to try the putter backer in there, the driver that came with it. I put some assembly lube on there. All right, so it's installed. I read some of the reviews for this thing. People say it's crappy. It is, but it got the job done, and I don't want to pay nobody else to do it.